Hello everyone! Welcome to Jedmi's Kitchen! Today, magluluto tayo ng isang special dish na napakadaling gawin. Ito ang spicy pork short ribs. Gamit ang isang pan, maglagay po tayo ng mga 3 tablespoon of cooking oil. Pag mainit na po ang cooking oil, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Saute lang ito hanggang matunaw. Then add 4 tablespoon of Hoisin Sauce. Then, lagay na rin po natin ang ating boiled short ribs. Then, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Saute lang ito hanggang makoat ng sauce yung spare ribs. And then, add natin ang 2 tablespoons Chinese cooking wine. Then, add 1 cup of pork broth. Then, add ginger, star anise, garlic, cayenne powder, and ground pepper. Cover lang ang pot and simmer po ito in a low fire for 30 minutes or until ma-reduce ang sauce. Then after 30 minutes, remove lang natin yung nilagay natin garlic, star anise, and ginger para hindi po siya pumait. And dito na po ang ating finished product, spicy pork short ribs. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, and hit the bell button for notification. Thank you!